Hey YouTube, what's going on? So I just want to jump in real quick. Sorry for the cringy thumbnail, but I'm hearing from everyone I know that we're in total panic mode. We don't know what's going on. We don't know what to do. I just want to take literally just a couple of quick moments here and talk about what's happening in the market, how I think about and approach it, and how oftentimes I think many people should do the same. So here's the reality of it. The market's been down for a few days. A lot of really high flying stocks, the Palantirs, the C3s, SoFis, etc. They're getting hammered, as well as many stocks across the board are. And what we're really seeing is growth stocks in general, especially tech stocks, are getting just absolutely smashed in the market right now. I want to bring you to an example. I heard Tom Nash talk about this earlier today. He has an awesome channel where he analyzes the markets and individual stocks as well. But what I really want to call out here is when you move into a position, it's it's about how you think about that position. If you are willing to buy something at 100 because you felt fundamentally everything about that company was right 2 weeks ago, the price going down today or the day before or whatever day it went down has not changed anything fundamentally about that company. If you believe it was a good buy with a long-term view, then that shouldn't have changed. If, however, you're not approaching this from an investing perspective and you're looking at technicals because you're a trader, well, fine. You need to update your technical analysis based on those new attributes that we're learning in the market, right? The new information from the Fed. It's not enough to just change your direction without bringing in those new variables. And I think that that's the quick and easy point I want to talk about today is if you love something when you analyzed it fundamentally and you still love it today, there's no reason to not move into those investments if it's part of the portfolio strategy you have for yourself. If you are a trader and you're trading off of old news, then you need to go and update based on the new variables, understand the new correlations between those variables, and act on that data. You know, it's a classic. If you liked it yesterday, nothing's changed. You should still like it today. And I want to give you a flip side too, because I think not enough people talk about this. But if you're in a position and you have it in your head that if it goes down another 50 cents, a dollar, $2, you're out. Get out of the position now. Why are you waiting to lose more money? Right? If you believe that something has changed and the market's moving against you, or fundamentally it's not the direction you want it to be in, get out of the position now. This is where so many traders and investors lose money, especially in the retail side of the business. If if nothing has changed and you are ready to jump, don't lose more money before you jump. This is the name of the game in investing. This idea, which is very basic, of buying low and selling high, has gone out the window the past couple of years, and it shouldn't have. This is why we use things like limit orders. This is why we understand our exits and our entries long before we get into a position. So, if you liked it yesterday, stay in it or add more to your position if it makes sense for you. If you're trading it, leverage those new variables. If you're thinking about getting rid of positions because you're scared or you have a margin issue or whatever the case might be, don't lose more money just because you've come up with some theoretical number that might make sense to you. You have to do this the right way, and you have to understand that there is a time for capital appreciation. There's a time for capital preservation. You need to know which time period you're in, and you need to act on that data. So with that said, that's all I want to share today. I think there's a lot of panic, a lot of people who haven't seen these kinds of corrections, this volatility, this whipsaw action within the markets. So with that, thanks so much for watching. Hope you're doing well out there. And sometimes the best advice, put your phone down, shut your laptop, get away from your investments, and move on and do something else with the day today. So anyways, have a good one. Thanks for watching. See y'all later.